Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I created this beautiful matte eye look. So to start off, you first of all need to prime. So I use my concealers as a primer. Like I almost always do use my concealers as a primer. Today I'm using the AOA concealers, and I just want to make sure that my eyeshadow has something to hold on to. So the concealer is my best bet. I just want to make sure like the entire eyelid and eye area is covered in concealer before I go in to start like placing my eyeshadow. So I go in to pack this beautiful eyeshadow in the outer corners of my eye. I'm using the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette, really beautiful eyeshadow palette, and I just want to pack this actual shade in the outer corners of my eye and have it as deep as I want it to be. But I go in to use a loose powder or pressed powder. You could use a loose powder or pressed powder right underneath your eyebrow and in your crease, and also above your crease, just so the eyeshadow is not as pigmented as the outer corners, because you want to like soften the look out in those areas just to create that sort of beautiful transition. Just be generous when packing the purple eyeshadow. And since you're using just one eyeshadow, blending is so important. So you want to make sure you're blending the eyeshadow as good as possible. So it's okay to go back and forth, just to make sure it's as soft and beautiful as possible. Oh my dog. So for the eyelid, because I'm using a really bright eyeshadow, you really need to use a very bright concealer shade, just so your eyeshadow comes out the best way possible, like the exact same colors. So I first prime, and this is another AOA concealer I'm using here. I'm definitely going to link everything down below and leave the exact shades as well. But those are the beautiful colors I use. I use the beige and the white, the very two top colors at the top, sorry, and I just packed that with a horsehair brush onto my eyelid. These are matte shades though. And then I go back to blend everything and make sure everything is beautiful. It's just blending at this point and you're actually done. So I went in to do some eyeliner, some wing eyeliner, and I fixed my lashes. It's not important to fix your lashes if you don't want to, but it's okay to fix some false lashes. It makes the look beautiful. I actually put on some mascara and I did my waterline, and I also put in some highlights in the inner corners of my eyes just to create that pop, and pretty much that was it. I really like the way the look turned out. It was just so easy but beautiful, and I hope you could try it out as well. So pretty much that'll be it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give it a try, because I believe it's a really simple like look to recreate. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.